Hello everyone, and welcome to a room tour of a standard king-size room at Morongo Hotel and Casino, located in Cabazon, California. So here we go, walking in. To the left is the restroom. There's me. Hello there. You got your standard restroom stuff. You got the toilet, the sink, the nice backlit mirror. Got your assortment of shampoos, body lotions, conditioners, stuff like that. Here is the shower. Decent walk-in with a frosted window, which on the other side is the bedroom itself. Get a nice bench there. Just want to relax and let the water hit you. Coming out here, got a nice full-length mirror. And to the left, this little bench there to sit on. Some little artwork. Does come with a Keurig coffee maker with assorted variety of coffees and creamers and sweeteners and whatnot. Some cups, a couple of complimentary waters. Some storage space under there. Mini fridge here. A couple of waters in there. Here's your guide to room service. The rules of looks like late checkout. Late checkout is not, it's offered, but it's not complimentary. We asked downstairs, and I think checkout is at 11. If you want to check out at noon, that'll be an extra $50. If you want to check out at 1 o'clock, that's an extra $100. And then anything over that, they will charge you just a regular full night stay. Again, so for you late birds, you know, you might want to take that in consideration. Nice big TV. And then here is the bed. Nice king size bed. We just got here. Haven't tried it yet. Looks comfy. 4 pillows is always good. Here's the other side of that shower. Looks like you have a little pad here to control some different stuff. We'll check that out in a bit. Nice little desk space. If you want to, if you have like some editing to do, or if you work remotely, you can set up shop here. It's pretty cool. Take a look at the closet. A little small, but it'll serve the purpose. We're only staying one night. There's a safe, there's an ironing board is over here. There's some more drawers and stuff there. And there's a little chair to kick back and relax on. And here is our view. I like the mountains. Not so thrilled about the parking lot, but there it is. On the other side, you get a nice view of the mountains and the swimming pool, lazy river area. That looks very nice. So anyway, this is it. This is the basic room tour. Hope you guys liked it. Short and to the point. We have more to come from this trip. Stay tuned for more videos from Morongo Casino Resort Hotel here in Cabazon, California. And with that, we say good evening, or good afternoon, or good morning, whenever you're watching this. Bye-bye.